In today's fast-paced business environment, data is crucial for decision-making, but analysis can be complex and time-consuming. Power BI Copilot, an AI-powered assistant by Microsoft, revolutionizes how businesses approach data analysis. Key features of Power BI Copilot: simplified data analysis. Assists users in navigating complex datasets, generating reports, and interpreting insights without advanced technical skills. Enhanced collaboration enables teams to share reports and collaborate in real time, with suggestions to improve output quality. Automation automates routine tasks like data cleaning and report generation, allowing users to focus on strategic analysis. Intelligent insights provides real-time recommendations, highlighting trends and potential issues. Seamless integration integrates with Microsoft tools like Excel, Azure, and Teams, streamlining workflows and enhancing data analysis capabilities. Power BI Copilot transforms data analysis by making it more accessible, efficient, and collaborative, empowering organizations to harness the full potential of their data. For support with Power BI Copilot, contact Random Trees for expert solutions and guidance.